In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create your own Facebook account easily and securely. Let's get started. Open your favorite browser and type Facebook in the search bar. Click on the first link. On the Facebook homepage, click on Create New Account. Fill in your details, enter your first name, surname, date of birth, and gender. Make sure everything is accurate. Add your email address or mobile number. Now, set a strong password to keep your account secure. A mix of letters, numbers, and special characters works best. Click on Sign Up, and Facebook will send you a verification code. Check your email or phone for the OTP, one-time password. Enter it carefully into the field and click Continue. Congratulations, your Facebook account is now created. Enjoy connecting with friends, family, and the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.